Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all you aspiring woodcarvers out there. We're going to take a closer look at the VIBRATITE wood carving tool set, which just might be the best knives for whittling available in the market. So, if you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is for you. Let's dive right in. The VIBRATITE wood carving tool set is an all-in-one wood carving kit that's perfect for both beginners and professionals. It offers exceptional value for money, making it a must-have for anyone who loves carving wood or wants to create fantastic gifts. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this wood carving kit stand out. This comprehensive kit includes 5 knives of different shapes, basswood blocks, a leather strop, a sharpening stone, 2 polishing compounds, 2 frosted sponges, a pair of cut-resistant gloves, and a portable roll bag. It's a complete package for all your carving needs. The tools in this set are made of chromium vanadium alloy steel, which means they are incredibly sharp, durable, and resistant to corrosion. You won't have to worry about rust affecting your tools. The handles are crafted from black walnut wood and are designed ergonomically. This ensures that you can carve comfortably for extended periods without experiencing hand fatigue. The kit comes with a compact canvas roll-up bag that features individual slots for each carving tool. It not only keeps your tools organized but also provides maximum protection, making it easy to carry and use them wherever you go. So, what are the benefits of using this wood carving set? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find it easy to adjust to the handles and blades from day one. This kit is perfect for both novice carvers and seasoned professionals. The kit's variety of tools and high-quality materials mean you can use them for various wood carving projects, from detailed work to larger pieces. Considering the number of tools and their quality, this kit offers excellent value for money compared to buying individual tools. Esther Estasio praises the set for its quality and affordability, saying, "Affordable good quality." Rim Kervik appreciates the speedy delivery and mentions, "Overall, a happy customer. Thanks." In conclusion, the VIBRATITE wood carving tool set is a fantastic choice for anyone interested in wood carving. With its variety of tools, ergonomic design, and exceptional quality, it's no wonder why many consider it the best knives for whittling in the market. If you're ready to start your wood carving journey or upgrade your current set, be sure to check out the VIBRATITE wood carving tools set on Amazon. We've provided the link in the video description below, so you can easily find and purchase this incredible kit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations on products that make your life easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy carving!